अगर सचमुच में दम है तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप is a liar. झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप. Pakistani general called General Munir, chief of army staff. That man is having lunch with the president of the United States. Our prime minister cannot go there. He's breaking. Mr. Trump is breaking all protocol. Prime minister hasn't said anything. Prime minister has not said, how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Munir to his office. If you had listened to me here, you would not have lost those 5 planes. The goal of this exercise was to protect the prime minister's image. Because he has the blood of the people of Pahalgam on his hands, the goal of the exercise was to make sure that he used the Air Force to protect his image. To the Prime Minister, the nation is above your image, above your politics, and above your PR. Have the humility to understand that. Have the dignity to understand that. And do not sacrifice the armed forces and national interest for your own petty political gains. 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया है. अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. If he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here that Donald Trump, you're a liar. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल दे. I mean, which planet is the foreign minister sitting on? They have declared victory but it's still going on. Prime Minister, surrender. Immediate surrender in 30 minutes. Meaning he is scared कि आपके पास लड़ने की पॉलिटिकल विल है ही नहीं, कि आप लड़ना ही नहीं चाहते हो. डिफेंस मिनिस्टर यहां हाउस में कह रहे कि हमने पाकिस्तान से जाके कहा कि हमने आपको एक झापड़ मारा है मगर हम आपको और झापड़ नहीं मारेंगे. हम एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कीजिए और हम मिलिट्री टारगेट नहीं मारेंगे. इफ यू हैड लिसन टू मी हियर, you would not have lost those 5 planes. It is a very dangerous time and we cannot afford a prime minister who does not have the courage to use the army the way it has to be used. We cannot afford a prime minister who does not have the guts to say from here that Donald Trump is a liar. He didn't stop India from fighting. He's lying about the planes.